In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a smooth slow motion video in CapCut. So here's my video and I want to make this slow motion at some point. So let's select our video and then go to speed over here and then select curve. You can change it from here, but that would be just static. We want it to be a curve. So select the curve tab and then click on custom. And then over here you'll see these three little nodes. So if you click on one of them in the middle and if you drag it, it'll change the speed around that point basically, and it will also make it a curve, as you can see. So we'll just make this middle one go like that. This means that it will slow down the speed from 1x, which is the normal speed, down to whatever this speed is going to be slower, and then back to normal speed. And now let's test it out. So we can just put this back over here. And if we play the video, we're going to see that the waterfall here just gets slower and slower. And then once it's done here, it's going to start speeding up again. And that's essentially how you can make a smooth slow motion video just like that. And you can, if you want, delete one of those nodes just by clicking on them and then click on this minus symbol. You can put it back by clicking the plus, and you can adjust each of the nodes just like that. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.